I'm going to introduce you to one of my absolute favorite features of WordPress, and that's plugins. Plugins are bits of software that you can add to your WordPress website to extend the functionality. So if you can think of a WordPress site with a slideshow or a gallery, those are plugins at work. So you have a set of programmers out there that develop these plugins basically to make your life easier. So to add a plugin to your site, I am going to the plugin section, and actually let's just click here and it pops up the default plugins that are installed on your website. So this first one here, this is used to help block spam on your site. So if you can imagine, when you have a website with a comment section, there tends to be a lot of spam comments coming in. Well, this plugin, which is installed by WordPress by default, actually helps you to filter out those spam comments. This second one here, which says hello doll, is just a dummy plugin. You don't really need this, so you can always deactivate and delete this plugin. It actually says this is not a plugin. This one which says Jetpack by WordPress.com, this is used to give a bunch of functionality to your website. In fact, it's up here at the top, but you actually need a WordPress.com account to actually unleash the full potential of Jetpack. So it's something that you can examine later on, but for now it's not really important. And this Mojo Marketplace is something that Bluehost had added when you had actually created your website with Bluehost. So these are those 4 default plugins that are on your WordPress website by default. So when you're ready to add a plugin to your site, you just go to the add new section. So I'm on the plugins and I'm going to click on add new. So you'll see a search area comes up where you can basically search for different plugins. There are a ton of popular plugins out there, and you can always sort the plugins. For example, we have the featured plugins section here, and if you wanted to look at the popular plugins, you could always click on popular. So here we have Contact Form 7, which is just a contact form plugin. We have WordFence Security, a security plugin. We have all-in-one SEO, and if you know, SEO is important for search rankings, so this will help you to get your site ranking well in the search engines. Also Yoast, this is a very popular one, and this is one that I use on a lot of my websites as well. The list of plugins go on and on, so you can find a ton of plugins for your website. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can install a plugin and activate it on your website.